Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you self-drilling drywall anchors. Let's check it out closely. We have expansion screws, 40 pieces, drywall screws, 40 pieces, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15, and 10, 10. The total, we have 220 pieces. Let me go ahead and open it and see what we have. There we go, the screws over here, like that. We have different lengths. We have the screwdrivers, both of them. You can use this on your drill, but if you don't have it, you can use the screwdriver right here. And we have one more screwdriver bit, like this. One is over here and one is over there. This is long and this is short, and also it is magnetic. Let's go ahead and try to use this. As you can see, this is not good, you see. And I use conventional method to put it there, but it's just coming out. No matter what I do, it's just coming out. I'm just gonna take this out and try to use self-drilling drywall anchors. Let's try it. I'm gonna take out the other one. It's just coming out. You see, it's not holding it. We already have the drill bits inside the package. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna use these two. That's awesome. And let's put the other one also. You see, this is awesome. This is what I've been looking for. Let's use these two. Put the other one. No one's gonna take this out. You see, this is very strong. It is too hard to take it out. What about the other one? This is the old method. As you know, I have been dealing with this for a long time, but now it's gonna be over. You see, that's easy. I'm done with both of them. And let's go ahead and put this one there and then screw them. Let's do the other one. Guys, this is like magic, as you see. I've been dealing with this around 3 years. Now the problem is solved. How about this area? I'm just gonna take it out because also I am having problem with these. I'm gonna take it out. You see, this is also very old. Let me try to use this one. Let's see how it's gonna work. Let me take this out too. Put one more here. I'm just gonna use these two. Awesome, that worked. How about the bottom part? Now we're good to go. Let's put the vacuum back. Now we're good. I can definitely suggest this product because it solved my problems like around 3 years right now. As you see, I didn't even know there was a tool like this, but right now I figured this out. You see, it is very sturdy and it's not going to be broken. This is like a game changer. You already saw before and after. This is after. Definitely suggest it.